That's why it takes 3 minutes. You guys have the slices already made.
Volare, oh, mangiare.
Oh. Ta-tan-ta-ran. Hello.
Hello!
Thank you. Pit stop. Guys, welcome from my street Iacopelli. Today we are in San Diego, California, and we found the first drive-thru in California. Today, watch until the end because this is insane. We are going to see the traveling, how much time this concept will take, how they make this pizza, what style, most importantly, if this pizza is soft and is crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead, eat this pizza, watch this video and share. So we are ready to go in San Diego and make this happen and visit this pizzeria. This is the pizza oven that I have for the caterings. So let's go ahead and let's drive with me. Are we guys ready to go ahead and test this drive-thru pizzeria?
Yes.
And guys, after 2 hours, we're almost there, see? Arriving at pizza stop in 3 minutes. From Los Angeles was about 2 hours, no traffic. I'm excited to test this new concept. So we're gonna go ahead right away. I'm just gonna go ahead and straight to the drive-thru and test the pizza with my family here. After that, we're gonna see if they allow me to get in and see how they make it, the whole concept. Only if the pizza is soft and crunchy. Here we go. Where is it? Where is it, the location? This is it, I see. Here we go, drive-thru, it says right there. Okay, let's go ahead, and that's how it works. Let's see how that works. First time ever here in this place, guys. Give me this camera, give me this camera. You guys gonna taste the pizza too?
We can't wait.
You guys are ready for the pizza? Yeah? Okay, let's go. I guess this is the menu right here. Okay, I believe they serve slice and pizza. What do you guys want? Pizza, the whole pizza, or you guys want slice?
Slice.
Yes.
Slice.
Let's try a slice. A cheese pizza.
We're gonna test a slice, and then if it's good, we're gonna go ahead and see if this guy, they allowed us to get in the kitchen and see how they make the whole pizza. You guys want a slice of pizza, or you want the whole pizza? And Walter, you want pepperoni? Cheese pizza?
I want pepperoni.
Pepperoni for you? Let's see if they have olives. The kids are so complicated, my God. Okay, they are open and ready to rock and roll. Hello, my friend.
How you doing, guys?
I'm recording a video, is that okay?
Yes.
Because this concept is insane.
How you doing, guys? What can I get for you today?
So everybody's gonna see how you guys make it.
Thank you so much.
So I see that you guys serve slice.
We serve a slice and pie.
Slice and pie.
Usually it's already in 3 minutes. It's on the drive-thru. And a pie take like 15-20 minutes. You can pre-order online or give us a call.
Okay, so I think we're gonna get a slice.
Sure.
What slice you guys want?
For me, cheese.
Pepperoni for me.
3 cheese for the kids, 1 pepperoni. I'm gonna go American style. So we're gonna get 3 cheese pizza,
Okay.
a slice,
Great.
1 pepperoni, and I'm gonna go American. So what do you suggest?
But one of the top one is pesto chicken or barbecue.
Barbecue.
Anything else I can get for you, sir?
No, barbecue and what else?
top
So
selling.
pesto chicken and barbecue.
Yes.
Good for the muscles. So let's go ahead. Let's go with barbecue pesto chicken.
Anything else I can do for you?
So you say 3 minutes. I'm gonna time you.
Please.
My friends also wants a spicy honey slice. Okay, we got that. How much is it?
Will be 30-17, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Just thank you so much. Just a little sign here.
That's so gentle right there. I don't know. Thank you so much. I got it.
Please, second window, 3 minutes. Thank
Okay.
you so much, guys.
Let's go ahead. Let's test the time here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes is done. And let's go to the other window right there. This is how it is. Nobody's here. And then the line gets back there. You guys ready for the pizza? Oh,
Guys,
already done. Hold on, how long it's been? But that was less than 3 minutes.
yes.
It's been 2 minutes and 20 seconds, guys. Okay, thank you so much. We got 1, 2, we got 5 slices. Firenze, you guys from Firenze, Cagliari?
Bologna and Cagliari.
Okay.
Last one.
Last one. How many slices we got? Was it 5? 6. 6 slices, yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, fella.
I'll see you soon.
Bye, thank you.
Ciao.
Guys, I like that they serve Each slice $1. Let's go ahead. Let's find a spot. I'm hungry. I want to go ahead and eat this. I go ahead and taste this pizza. Actually, we all gonna taste this pizza. It's not just me today. I didn't put my seatbelt because we are going literally in front of these guys. Because if the pizza is not good, I'm going to tell these guys that the pizza is not good. If it's soft and crunchy, we are going to ask more pizzas. It's time to share the pizzas. You got your own slices for the kids.
Yeah.
This is a slice of cheese pizza margherita. This is mine. The chicken barbecue looks delicious. Then we got a classic pepperoni pizza. And this is the honey crispy margherita. Ooh, I like that. I think I'm gonna steal this. Juicy. Time to eat and taste this pizza. This is yours, baby. Yay. Cool down a little bit. Oh, this is the chicken and the pesto. I think, look at this, those slices. The first bite, it's Walter. Walter, how is the slice? Eat?
Yeah.
It's good? How is that? Good? Yes?
Yes.
I want to see your face. What do you think?
You know I like this pizza because
Let me see.
it's thin crust,
It's thin crust, okay.
cheesy, so
Let's see. New York style.
really good. I love it.
This is New York style, I believe, no? This guy eats. Walter, how is the pizza? Hey, you guys eating already?
Oh, very good.
Let's go. You already done with the pizza? Oh, pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
This is New York style. What do you think? As an Italian, this guy's Italian. Doesn't even he don't even speak
È buona.
English. È buono.
È buona.
It's good. That's a New York style. Lo sapevi?
No. Oh.
Claudia.
Really
Claudia, it's really good. I know you're a singer. Give me a piece. She's a singer.
Volare, oh, cantare, oh, nel red dipinto di blu.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Adesso non andare, ma.
Volare, oh, mangiare.
Oh! Now it's my turn to eat. With the pesto and chicken. It's cooked good. Holds it really well. Wow. Oh, it's good, but it's not enough.
Ho detto che era buona.
It's delicious. Ingredient tastes so fresh. Chicken is good. I taste the pesto, I taste the cheese. The crust is soft and crunchy. Guys, I'm really gonna enjoy this pizza. I just finished my pesto one. Right there, that's the slice. Holds it really well too. Tastes good too. All empty, not joking here. Guys, are you still hungry?
Yes. No.
What do you mean no? You still hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I think, guys, we're gonna go inside. They deserve a shot. I'm gonna go ahead and see if they allow us to get inside the kitchen and then see how they make this pizza. I see they also have a seating outside, a little patio. I see a lot of things Italian here. So let's go ahead, let's see. Pizza was insane. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming. I'm gonna send
We're still hungry. We wanna order a pizza.
No problem. Have
big
a
one.
seat, guys. We're gonna make it for you.
Let me ask a couple of things with this guy. Okay, guys, we start to talk here and everything. These guys, they are Italian. They are from Italy and they came to San Diego. These are the three owners.
I'm from Florence.
Bologna.
Cagliari.
And you guys just open up this concept of drive-thru. I wanna show these guys right there how you guys make the pizza. You guys allow me inside the kitchen. Tell me a little bit of the story and while you guys are making the pizzas.
Yes, Sure. of course.
Yes, sir.
Come
let's
with
go.
us. Let's go.
Andiamo. Well, they have a sitting outside, and these guys, that's how they make the pizza, a little kitchen here. What kind of style you make?
We make 18-inch pizza
Yeah.
for New York style. We have full pie and we sell also by the slice. By
That's
the
what we
slice,
got. We got a butter slice, which is really good, but I'm still hungry. We want the whole pizza. I want to see how this pizza is made. Tell me a little bit. So you guys make your own dough here, huh?
Yes,
We
yes.
made
So
everything made the fresh in the house every day, And also our pizza, you can customize your pizza in the way you like. You can choose your topping. Our pizza is 18 inches. Practically our style of a pizza is a New York style, like Gabriella used to explain you before. You can customize your pizza in all way you like. You choose your base, you choose your topping, you choose your cheese. And you pick your pizza and we make it for you.
Let's see how they make the pizza. Ah, I see. This is what's this? The dough is it's hard. What's the hydration of this dough?
So the hydration, we do about 65-70%.
Okay.
Right around there. So it's a little stiffer than the Neapolitan style, I would say.
Yeah, New York style.
Yeah, you can throw it around a little bit.
Press a little bit.
Yeah, it kind of gives it its form already.
Yeah. Down. Ta. Pom pom baby. I see the hydration. I see the fermentation actually. You press the edge.
You know, start to form the crust a little bit. We want a nice foundation, you know. And now, so this, I'm gonna score the outside. Get it about there. Now we can toss it.
Toss it. Vai. That's whoa. By the way, I believe this pizza is a 55% of hydration. You make only one side of pizza.
Yeah, so 18-inch size.
18 inches, okay.
Yeah. You know, a lot of places in San Diego, they have the mediums and the 12-inch.
You just focus on one okay.
Size.
Now we put some fresh tomato.
Yes, sir. So we do, for our ounces, we do some perfect, even 2 scoops.
Okay. Low moisture cheese, huh?
So this is grande.
Grande, okay.
Yep. I like to hit the edges first because it's, you know, makes you see how clean it could be.
I asked the F pepperoni, F margherita. Actually, spicy salami, yeah. Sorry. That's a good point because pepperoni is one thing, salami is another thing. In Italy, we don't have pepperoni.
No,
We have spicy salami.
people that don't know about this, once they try it, they're like, oh wow.
Of course.
Yeah.
And they think that's pepperoni, but it's not.
It's not.
You're cooking the pizza in a gas oven.
What's that?
What's the temperature? Well, 550 on the top, 560 on the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. Great job. So how long we're gonna wait now?
7 minutes.
Your timer.
Yes, sir.
7 minutes, boom. Let's wait. It's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna ask some couple of things. Do you turn the pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, when there's about 3.5 minutes left out of the 7 minutes, I spin it. so it's even
Okay,
longer.
okay. Timer is over. Pizza is ready, I believe. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Take it out. What's the oh, sorry. Oh, what are you doing now? You're putting the pizza on the rack.
Yeah. So we, let it air dry a little bit. It keeps it a little more crispy. You know, gives
Got it.
pizza a little more integrity with the base. I would
Before
say.
cutting the pizza.
Yes, sir.
I agree with that
Yeah.
because that's important, guys. Because this way the pizza doesn't get wet
Exactly.
on the bottom,
The
directly in the
moisture,
oven. Yeah,
exactly.
that's a good thing.
So we do by the slice here.
Yeah.
So this is, we keep them.
That's the secret. That's why it takes. That's why it takes 3 minutes. You guys have the slices already made. It's good to have the pizza ready in the warmer. This way, grab and go, boom, 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 baby. Insane concept. It was good. It was good. I had to get another one.
Appreciate
How long it stays there?
So that's only going to be 1 minute.
Okay, it's ready. Everything is
So
done.
now, because we are
Directly-
drive-through, mostly a
Yeah.
to-go place, so
Put it on
we
the
just stick it
paper.
right in the box for you.
So let's hear.
Then we do
Nice crunch.
each pie,
Yeah.
8 slices.
Okay.
Yep.
I hear the crunch.
You like that?
Yeah, baby.
And there we go, out the door,
That's it. And then how you serve it out the door.
right out the window.
Insane, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. But what was your name, by the
My
way?
name's Colin.
Colin.
Mm-hmm.
Colin, thank you.
Very nice to meet you, man.
Pizza looks good. I'm gonna go eat and see what my family thinks. Guys, you guys ready? The pizza is ready. Yeah. Let's go. Come here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, voila. I got F cheese, F spicy.
Big.
You like that? Wow, that's the slice, guys. That's mine. I'm gonna eat in the box. Chin chin with the pizza. That's what I'm talking about. Looks good. Actually, tastes good. No, looks good. What do you guys think after all? What do you think of this concept? Is good? Guys, I almost forgot. We're gonna bring this pizza to a special friend of mine from Municipal. I'm gonna show you some good clothing line store close to here. So let's go ahead. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Please
Subscribe.
and like and watch until the end and share this video because it's free.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Sumigi bottonera rosso, Zoe. The pizza. I had to bring the pizza to my friends here from Municipal.
Yeah, well, you
The
know.
best. Come visit them in the Oceanside, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, he knows I'm going to New York later, so yeah, he knows I'm going
New
back.
York's that.
He knows I'm going back home, so he brought me a little treat before he left. I love it. What a guy. Always a pleasure, man.
I always
Always a pleasure.
come here to visit my friends here.